How hypersonic travel will disrupt business aviation. What if you could fly from New York to Tokyo in just 2 hours, without leaving Earth's atmosphere? Hypersonic travel is no longer science fiction. It's the future of business aviation, and it's about to change everything. Hypersonic travel refers to aircraft that fly at speeds of Mach 5 or higher, 5 times the speed of sound, or roughly 3,800 miles per hour. For business aviation, that's not just faster, it's transformative. Here's how it will disrupt the industry. Time becomes irrelevant. Business travelers will be able to attend meetings across continents and return the same day. Deals that once took weeks will be closed in hours, creating unprecedented global agility. Redefining global markets. Companies will no longer need satellite offices or relocation plans. Executives can operate across time zones without the physical and mental toll of long-haul flights. New business models, charter jet services, aerospace manufacturers, and airport logistics will evolve around ultra-fast point-to-point travel. Hypersonic routes will drive demand for exclusive, time-saving solutions. Innovation in aircraft design. These jets require heat-resistant materials, AI-guided navigation, and specialized propulsion systems like scramjets, sparking new startup opportunities in aerospace tech. Environmental and regulatory shifts. Hypersonic travel will push governments to redefine airspace, emissions rules, and security protocols, creating a window for startups focused on green propulsion and compliance tech. While mass adoption is still a few years away, companies like Hermes, Reaction Engines, and SpaceX are already building prototypes, and early investors are positioning now. The future of business aviation won't be first class, it'll be Mach 5. Like future-focused innovation? Hit like, drop a comment, and subscribe for more insights that keep you ahead of the speed curve.